Question 1. Federal regulatory agencies do not need to work with state regulatory agencies to enforce ECOA, TILA, and RESPA. Option A. Only for ECOA. Option B. True. Option C. False. Option D. Only for RESPA. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. False. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer. B. Strong. Federal and state regulatory agencies often work together to enforce consumer protection laws such as ECOA, TILA, and RESPA to ensure consistent compliance. Question 2. To generate a FICO credit score, a consumer generally must have which of the following? Option A. 3 open credit cards. Option B. At least 1 trade line with sufficient recent activity. Option C. At least 1 account open for 2 years reported to all 3 bureaus. Option D. A mortgage account. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. At least 1 trade line with sufficient recent activity. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer. C. Strong. Credit score formation is governed primarily by the Strong to Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, Strong, not ECOA. A FICO score generally requires at least 1 account with recent activity, not a specific loan type or number of years. Question 3. Under ECOA, a lender may ask about an applicant's age if the purpose of the inquiry is to, option A, evaluate employment history. Option B, determine marital status. Option C, determine credit score. Option D, determine the amount and probable continuance of income. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, determine the amount and probable continuance of income. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer. C. Strong. ECOA permits limited age inquiries when necessary to determine the amount and probable continuance of income or to establish legal capacity to contract. Question 4. Under ECOA, applicants for credit may be evaluated using all of the following except, option A, employment stability. Option B, race. Option C, a debt-to-income ratio. Option D, credit history. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, race. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer. D. Strong. ECOA prohibits consideration of race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, with limited exceptions, receipt of public assistance income, or the exercise of consumer rights. Creditworthiness factors such as income and credit history are permitted. Question 5. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, enforces the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA, through which regulation? Option A, Regulation X. Option B, Regulation B. Option C, Regulation Z. Option D, Regulation C. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, Regulation B. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer. C. Strong. ECOA is implemented by E. Strong or Regulation B. Strong, 12 CFR Part 1002, which contains the detailed rules prohibiting credit discrimination. Question 6. As per ECOA valuation rules, a borrower must be provided a free copy of any written appraisal obtained for the transaction at least how many business days before closing? Option A, 2 business days. Option B, 1 business day. Option C, At closing option D, 3 business days. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, 3 business days. Explanation. Strong. Correct answer, C. Strong. BRT under ECOA, Regulation B. Creditors must provide applicants with a free copy of any written appraisal or valuation promptly upon completion, or at least strong 3 business days before consummation. Is strong, unless the applicant waives this timing requirement. Question 7. The ECOA prohibits credit discrimination and ensures that applicants are treated fairly and without bias during which stages of the credit application process? Option A. After denial only. Option B. All stages of the credit process. Option C. During underwriting only. Option D. Before application only. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. All stages of the credit process. Explanation. Strong. A correct answer, D. Strong. Or ECOA applies to the strong, all stages strong of the credit process, including pre-application, discouragement, application, underwriting, servicing, and termination of credit. Question 8. Which of the following may a creditor lawfully consider when making a credit decision? Option A. Debt-to-income ratio. Option B. Marital status. Option C. Race. Option D. Religion. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. Debt-to-income ratio. Explanation. Strong. A correct answer, C. Strong. Debt-to-income ratio is a legitimate creditworthiness factor, unlike protected characteristics under ECOA. Question 9. After receiving a completed application, a creditor generally must notify the applicant of adverse action within how many days? Option A. 45 calendar days. Option B. 30 calendar days. Option C. 20 calendar days. Option D. 15 calendar days. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. 30 calendar days. Explanation. Strong. A correct answer, C. Strong. Under Regulation B. Creditors must generally notify applicants of adverse action within 30 calendar days of receiving a completed application. Question 10. ECOA protects applicants who exercise their rights under consumer protection laws from retaliation. Option A. Only after loan closing. Option B. Only if a complaint is filed. Option C. False. Option D. True. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. True. Explanation. Strong. A correct answer, A. Strong. ECOA prohibits discrimination against applicants who exercise their rights under consumer credit protection laws. Question 11. ECOA prohibits discrimination based on sex, including, option A. All of the above. Option B. Pregnancy. Option C. Sexual orientation. Option D. Gender identity. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. All of the above. Explanation. Strong. A correct answer, D. Strong. Regulation B interprets sex discrimination broadly, including gender identity, sexual orientation, and pregnancy. Question 12. Under ECOA, a creditor may not discriminate against an applicant based on which of the following? Option A, marital status. Option B, employment stability. Option C, credit history. Option D, debt-to-income ratio. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, marital status. Explanation. Strong incorrect answer. 8 strong BR to BR. ECOA prohibits discrimination based on marital status. Creditworthiness factors such as income, credit history, and employment may be evaluated as long as they are applied consistently and without discrimination. Question 13. ECOA prohibits discrimination based on age, provided the applicant, option A, has legal capacity to contract. Option B, is employed full-time. Option C, is under 65 years old. Option D, is over 21 years old. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, has legal capacity to contract. Explanation. Strong correct answer. B strong BR. ECOA protects applicants from age discrimination as long as the applicant has the legal capacity to enter into a contract. Question 14. A loan officer tells a prospective borrower that applying would be a waste of time due to their national origin. This is, option A, allowed before application. Option B, a violation of ECOA. Option C, permissible if informal. Option D, only a violation if written. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, a violation of ECOA. Explanation. Strong incorrect answer. C strong BR. ECOA prohibits discouraging applicants on a prohibited basis, even before an application is submitted. Question 15. A creditor approves a loan but at a higher interest rate than requested. This is considered, option A, counteroffer. Option B, approval. Option C, prohibited discrimination. Option D, adverse action. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, counteroffer. Explanation. Strong incorrect answer. B strong BR. Offering credit on terms different from those requested is a counteroffer. If the applicant accepts, no adverse action notice is required. Question 16. Under ECOA, creditors must provide applicants with a copy of any appraisal used in the credit decision. Option A, only if the loan is denied. Option B, only upon request. Option C, promptly upon completion or no later than closing. Option D, at least 3 days before closing. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, promptly upon completion or no later than closing. Explanation. Strong correct answer. C strong BR. Regulation B requires creditors to provide applicants with a copy of appraisals and valuations promptly, but no later than closing. Question 17. If a creditor approves a completed application, Regulation B requires notice within how many days? Option A, 30 days. Option B, 10 days. Option C, 45 days. Option D, 20 days. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, 30 days. Explanation. Strong correct answer. C strong BR. Creditors must notify applicants of approval within 30 days of receiving a completed application. Question 18. ECOA applies to which type of credit? Option A. Only federally insured loans. Option B. Consumer credit only. Option C. A mortgage credit only. Option D. Business and commercial credit. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. Business and commercial credit. Explanation. Strong E. Correct answer, C. Strong A. BR. ECOA applies broadly to consumer, business, and commercial credit transactions. Question 19. Creditors must retain ECOA-related application records for at least option A, 6 months, option B, 2 years, option C, 1 year, option D, 5 years. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, 1 year. Explanation. Strong A. Correct answer, B. Strong BR. Regulation B generally requires creditors to retain application records for at least 1 year. Question 20. If an application is incomplete, the creditor may provide option A. No notice at all. Option B. Only verbal notice. Option C. A notice of incompleteness requesting information. Option D. An adverse action notice. Immediately. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. A notice of incompleteness requesting information. Explanation. Strong A. Correct answer, B. Strong BR. For incomplete applications, Regulation B allows creditors to issue a notice of incompleteness specifying what information is needed and a deadline. Question 1. An adverse action notice must include option A. An explanation of federal law. Option B. A copy of underwriting guidelines. Option C. The applicant's credit score only. Option D. Specific reasons for the adverse action or how to obtain them. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. Specific reasons for the adverse action or how to obtain them. Explanation. Strong A. Correct answer, B. Strong BR. Regulation B requires creditors to provide specific reasons for adverse action or instructions on how to request those reasons. Question 2. A creditor may refuse to consider income derived from public assistance programs when evaluating creditworthiness. Option A, true. Option B, only for mortgage loans. Option C, false. Option D, only for unsecured credit. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, false. Explanation. Strong E. Correct answer, B. Strong BR. ECOA requires creditors to consider income from public assistance if it is stable and reliable. Excluding it solely because of its source is prohibited. Question 3. Under ECOA, a creditor may require a spouse's signature. Option A. Only if necessary to make collateral available. Option B. Whenever income is combined. Option C. Whenever the applicant is married. Option D. On all joint applications. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. Only if necessary to make collateral available. Explanation. Strong A. Correct answer, C. Strong or BR. ECOA limits when a spouse's signature may be required. It is generally permitted only to make collateral available or under specific ownership laws. Question 4. If two applicants jointly apply for credit, an adverse action notice must be provided to option A. Only the applicant with lower credit option B. Either applicant option C. Only the primary applicant option D. Both applicants take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. Both applicants' explanation. Strong correct answer, B. Strong B art. When applicants apply jointly, Regulation B generally requires notice to both applicants. Question 5. Under Regulation B, an adverse action includes option A, approving credit but assigning a higher interest rate, option B, charging an annual fee, option C, completing a credit application, option D, refusing to increase the credit line. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, refusing to increase the credit line. Explanation. Strong correct answer, B. Strong B art. An adverse action includes refusal to grant or increase credit, a termination of credit, or an unfavorable change in terms. A reduction in credit line is an example, which must be notified under ECOA Reg B, Content Reference, OA Site 16, Index equals 16. Question 6. If a creditor takes adverse action on a credit application, the applicant is entitled to receive option A. Only the credit score used, option B. No explanation is required, option C. A summary of the creditor's lending policies, option D. The specific reasons for the decision or how to obtain them. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. The specific reasons for the decision or how to obtain them. Explanation. Strong correct answer, B. Strong B art. Under ECOA Reg B, adverse action notices must include the specific reasons for denial or information on how the applicant can request the reasons. This ensures transparency and helps prevent discriminatory practices. Content Reference, OA Site 14, Index equals 14.